In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add advance payment in Zoho Books. An advance payment, sometimes called a deposit or prepayment, is money you receive from a customer before you issue an invoice. Recording it correctly ensures your accounts stay accurate, the funds are easy to track, and you can quickly apply the amount to future invoices without confusion. Start by opening Zoho Books and head to the sales section. This is the hub for everything related to customers, estimates, invoices, and payments. From there, go to Customers. This view lists all of your contacts, making it simple to find the customer sending the deposit. Keeping your customer records up to date really helps here. Accurate names and currencies prevent mix-ups later. Select the customer who sent the advance. This opens their profile with a clear snapshot of their activity and balance. On the customer's page, choose New Transaction. This creates a clean entry tied directly to that contact, so it will be easy to locate and reconcile later. From the transaction options, click Customer Payment. Even though you aren't paying off a specific invoice right now, this is the correct place to record money you've received in advance. In the payment form, enter the amount received. Type the exact deposit your customer sent. If it's a partial advance, just enter the portion you've received. Take a second to confirm the currency and that it matches the customer's settings. If your form shows fields for payment mode or a reference number, filling those in can really help with bank reconciliation and audit trails, but they're optional. Next, enter the payment date. Use the date the money actually reached your bank or payment gateway. Accurate dating keeps your cash position correct and ensures the payment appears in the right reporting period. When everything looks accurate, click Save as Paid. Zoho Books will record the payment against the customer. If there are no open invoices to apply it to, the system will hold it as an unused credit or advance on the customer's account. That way, when you create an invoice later, you'll be able to apply this amount toward it with just a couple of clicks, keeping both your receivables and the customer's balance perfectly aligned. That's it. Your advance payment is recorded. A quick tip before we wrap up. Consider adding a short note in the payment description about what the deposit is for. It makes future reviews and reconciliations much faster. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to handle customer advances confidently in Zoho Books.